afternoon. My name's Paul Weaver from Makinex Construction Products. Thank you for the opportunity today to share one of our latest products with you, our Hose to Go. It's a portable water system for suppressing dust and keeping your blade cool while concrete cutting. It has no battery, no electric and no pump, which eliminates some of that sort of two-person operation with that sort of application. It's available at all the Kennards branches around Australia, so why don't you get in there and give it a try. It'll make your job a little more efficient on site.
Kennards make your job easy.